In this video, we are going to see how we can share our TikTok profile with someone. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. So if you want your TikTok link to be shared publicly, you can get the QR code or you can send the link to someone on WhatsApp. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. First of all, just click on the bottom right hand corner on your profile icon, just like so. And from here, we click on the share button that you see here. Click on that, and here you get a QR code. So let's say that you want your followers or customers to get the link or connect with you on TikTok. You can share this link publicly, or you can just click on share link and send it to someone on WhatsApp, just like this. And that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.